Hi there, my friends. Today I'm going to talk about a sharing session on email marketing. One of the very basic aspects of email marketing is to actually have your custom domain name. So a lot of people actually ask me, Ben, how do I start having this custom domain name? And how do I actually put this domain name into my email autoresponder? All right, so today this is a topic that I want to talk about. Now, before that, let me share with you my particular screen over here. How do you actually look at a domain name? Okay, so generally you have a house, all right? Sorry, I didn't really draw the house, a property over here. But just take it as this rectangle box here is a house, all right? And the domain name is actually the house address. In order for this house to actually locate somewhere the physical property, of course, it needs to have a LAN, all right? Then I'll look at this LAN as something like your hosting platform. Okay, so let me just put it over here. So this will be something like your hosting platform. All right, which is here. Then your house address is actually something like your domain name. All right. Okay, now guys, this is very important because when it comes to email marketing, if you are not using a proper domain name, a custom domain name, it will actually affect the deliverability of your emails. All right, and that is the last thing that you want, because after you go through all the eye-catchy subject line, you think hard of the body text that you wish to send an email to, and the last thing that you're going to see is it actually ends into the spam or the promotion folder. What you want is actually for it to land in the primary folder of your audience. Am I right? Okay, so that's the reason why, one of the reasons why rather, you would actually need a custom domain to send out your emails. So the hosting platform that I use is actually called Bluehost. All right, I've been using it for years, and so far it has not given me any major issues, I would say. All right, plus there's actually a very friendly 24/7 customer service support that will actually help you with a lot of your inquiries when you actually need to do so. Okay, so you can actually purchase the plan over here. All right, if you don't need a website builder, just go for the cheaper plans, which is $275 per month. Okay, so once you actually purchase it, you will reach the main dashboard of Bluehost, and this is my main dashboard. All right, don't be intimidated by it. Very simple. The first thing you need to do is actually go over to this tab called Advanced. All right, so once you tap on it, we're going to start creating a custom domain. Okay, so you click on this thing called the emails. Now, bearing in mind when you actually subscribe with Bluehost, usually they give you the free domain name for the first year. And subsequently, when you renew your domain every year, it costs approximately about $18 US. Okay, so it's a very affordable thing. Okay, let me just go back again to here. All right, so once you're actually at this particular email account, you can actually hit the create button over here. And from here, it will actually ask you which is the domain that you actually want to. Like for example, you might have purchased several domains hosted on Bluehost. Like for my case, I have a few different domains over here. All right, so you can actually choose the particular domain that you want, and the username, you can put it as something like your name, or something like your first name at yourdomainname.com. All right, or you can put it as support at yourdomainname.com. And then key in your password, and from there, hit the create button. Okay, and straight away, you'll be able to create this custom domain email. All right, so it's pretty simple. So once you actually create this custom domain email, what is the next thing that you need to do? Of course, is to put this custom domain into your email autoresponder, and the one that I use is called Get Response. All right, go into my accounts over here and hit on Manage Account. Okay, then hit on Email Addresses and hit on Add Email. Now this is where you can actually key in your name and then followed by your email address. Okay, so whatever is the name that you wish your email recipients to see, that is the one that you're going to put down there. All right, as well as the email address, and from there you can hit the Add Address. The next thing they will do is they will ask you to verify that this custom domain email address really belongs to you, and that is where you have to log in. All right, log in back over here to your list of email accounts. You can actually log in to check your email, and from there you hit the verify button, and straight away you can start using your custom domain email address in your respective email autoresponder. All right, very short sharing session over here, but I guess this is one of the most important fundamentals that you need in order to create a good habit for your email marketing campaigns. Now, what I said, most importantly, email marketing is email deliverability, is your inboxing. All right, it's not about how big your list is or how responsive your list is. The first very, very basic step is to ensure that you have a custom domain email address. All right, I hope this sharing session actually helps you, and I'll see you again. All right, take care.